these issues are coming up for conversation because Deepika Padukone had said that I want to work. That's what I believe. I mean, it's all reports. No, she hasn't spoken it, but I believe she said that I will only work X number of hours and X number of days because as a mom now I need that. And there are some who are saying that this is too much of cost because we put up sets and we put up, so it's not working. So can't work with her anymore. Now, these are all reported claims. Nobody knows exactly what went into it. But I'm guessing that when women are laying down these things that I can only work X number of hours, it's a new phenomenon. Pehle, women used to just keep waiting till the big stars, the heroes like say Rajesh Khanna. Or
take you back to my time when I did Hichki, because I did Hichki when Adhira was 14 months old, and I was still breastfeeding her. So I had to pump the milk and go in the morning. And I was shooting in a college in town. So from my house in the suburbs in Juhu to go to that place in traffic takes about 2 hours. So I kind of made it a thing where in the morning I would leave at 6:30 after expressing my milk. And I would shoot. My first shot used to be at 8 in the morning. And I used to wrap up everything by 12:31. And I have to say that my unit and my director, they were so planned that for those 6-7 hours, I used to finish my shoot. And before the traffic would start in town, I used to be home by 3 o'clock. And I did my film like that. So these things are up in conversation today because maybe people are discussing it outside. But this has been a norm with
all professions.
With all professions, where so I've also done it where I have worked certain hours, and if the producer is okay with it, you go ahead with the film. If the producer is not okay with it, you don't do the film. So it's also a choice. Nobody is forcing anything on anybody.
Are you comfortable working with banners which are not of your husband's?
Of course, I just did Mrs. Chatterjee with MA Films.
So when these offers come, do they feel hesitant that she may not accept it because she
no I think what is important is that what is the kind of work you are finishing in those 6-7 hours. Like when I go on set and I finish 6-7 hours of work, that is the amount of work that was planned for the day. Sometimes you can work for 18 hours and you might not finish. So it's also the quality of work that you do in those number of hours. And of course certain films require extra hours of work. But once you are planned, you can achieve whatever you want to achieve.
Are the films better